Hello, bachcho. Let's read the question. The question says the most suitable method of separation of 1:1 mixture of ortho and para-nitrophenol is steam distillation, sublimation, chromatography, and crystallization. So here the key concept is separation techniques. Now क्वेश्चन में पूछ रहा है कि सबसे बेस्ट सुचेबल मेथड और द मोस्ट सुचेबल मेथड क्या होगा if we have to separate the 1:1 mixture of ortho and para-nitrophenols. So we know that keep ortho and para-nitrophenols, they have hydrogen bonding. Now they have hydrogen bonding, and there are two types of hydrogen bonding, that is intermolecular and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Now because of the presence of the inter and intramolecular hydrogen bonding, ठीक है, यहाँ पर boiling point का difference आता है because these hydrogen bonding affects on the boiling point, and because of the difference of the boiling point, the method we use here for the separation of this mixture is the steam distillation. Okay, we use the steam distillation. In a steam distillation, okay, to separate ortho and para-nitrophenol, the difference in their boiling point is used. ठीक है, यानी कि सेपरेट करने के लिए स्टीम डिस्टिलेशन में हम बॉइलिंग पॉइंट के डिफरेंस को देखते हैं. नाउ इफ वी सी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पैरा एंड ऑर्थोनाइट्रोफेनॉल, सो in orthonitrophenol the structure is, this is ring O O OH, and here the hydrogen bonding, this is intramolecular hydrogen bonding, that is the bonding, the that type of hydrogen bonding which is present in between the atoms of the one molecule. Okay, and it is very easy to break. This is easy to break this bond. While if we see in para-nitrophenol, para-nitrophenol, so the structure is now here it is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Now in intermolecular hydrogen bonding, there is an there is an association of molecules, hence it is less volatile. It is less volatile. Okay, and if it is less volatile than intramolecular hydrogen bonding, so para-nitrophenol has higher boiling point and orthonitrophenol has lower boiling point. So because it requires less energy to break this bond, so it is easy to break in the case of intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Hence, it requires less energy, and here the boiling point is lower. While in the case of पैरानाइट्रोफिनॉल, ठीक है, ये जो है हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग दैट इज intermolecular hydrogen bonding is stronger than the intramolecular hydrogen bonding, so it requires more energy to break this bond, and hence the boiling point is higher in the case of paranitrophenol. So because there is an association of molecules and requires more energy to break the hydrogen bonds between the molecules, so that's why the boiling point is higher in the case of paranitrophenol. Now, तो स्टीम डिस्टिलेशन में बॉइलिंग पॉइंट के डिफरेंस का यूज होता है. नाउ वी हैव सीन कि ऑर्थोनाइट्रोफिनॉल एंड इन पैरानाइट्रोफिनॉल boiling point of paranitrophenol is higher than boiling point of orthonitrophenol. So we will use the method steam distillation to separate this mixture. So here the answer is steam distillation. Now next options को देखें तो sublimation is the process in which solid is directly converted into gas and skipping the liquid phase. So solid phase से directly gas phase में convert हो जाता है. Chromatography का हम use करते हैं जब two different liquids को हमें separate करना हो and उनके different rates पे वो travel करते हैं, different rates पे. दैट इज एक क्रोमेटोग्राफिक पेपर होता है एंड यहाँ दो फेज होते हैं, दैट इज मोबाइल फेज एंड स्टेशनरी फेज. तो वो डिफरेंट रेट से ट्रेवल करता है. एंड क्रिस्टलाइजेशन में क्या होता है कि प्योर एंड इम्प्योर सब्सटेंसेस जो होते हैं, तो जो इम्प्योरिटी होती है इट इज इनसॉल्युबल into the solvent, and while the pure substances are soluble. So here the final answer is A. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.